entertainment, news, views, and lifestyle. Skyliner TV.
I saw me love to love, me tell me what my own. Say man a hustler, I saw me love to love. Me want a better range in a me garage. I saw me love to love, me tell me what my own. Hold on there, say me no young when me got secret. Man up it up the streets and when the street red. And man cannot live my friend alone. From me up to get the cheese cause me no eat. I run the street red, on the street red. Still have to touch the street red. One up up in a mind, one like a street red. Money no father, no color, no street red. Man a hustler, I saw me hustler. If I be bad, I'm dead in a mama yard. I saw me hustler, me say me want my own. Me say me hustler, I saw me hustler. Me want a better range in a me garage. I saw me love so long, me say me want my own. Hold on there, me touch the streets and the money me a up there. Me never got to get no money in a month. One tabak full of money from the back up to the front, and a brick full of money from the band to the top. But to get the money, I go pull up on the stuff. No kind of jump, me back, no kind back, me never jump. No one for your big, no feeling stop pile up. So when you say you know that checks I am.
We are still here at the reggae show. I will meet up on Chapter. The man who just performed and teared up the whole state a while ago. Chapter, how you feel about your performance a while ago?
Oh yes, man, I feel great, man. Oh yes, man, improvement. You don't know, say a chapter to the world. You don't know. You see me, you have to go hard feet. You see me, yeah, man.
As I asked K1 before, is your first reggae show performance?
Well, no, you know, we're a couple reggae show already, like, you know, Western consciousness and them shows. But you don't know, like the vibes and things, you don't know a Skyliner production and out there we say, you know. We are trying to get the youth them out the same way.
Yeah.
Chapter and the whole rest of work, so they don't know, you see me.
So what song are you promoting right now?
Well, we are promoting a couple singles still, like, we have one of them for Crystal Clear, you don't know.
Yeah.
And we have one for Skyliner production, see you.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, they are K1 essential.
So we can ask, when some of those tracks coming out?
Well, as soon, you know. Soon, them soon come out, you don't know. Them voice are in the studio, mixed up and things. You don't know, the people that can look forward to the singer. Chapter and K1 same, you see me, Chapter alone.
As I asked K1 before, where we can find you on a daily basis? Suppose somebody wants to do a show with you, another stage show with you, Dub Place, 45 or a tour or somewhere, where we can find you?
Well, them can find me at Skyliner headquarters in a man, Portmore, you see me? Okay. They can link up with this, so them can find me on Facebook, same way, you see me? Chapter, same way on Facebook. But mainly me there, Skyliner production, Skyliner headquarters, Portmore, you see me? Yeah man, right there so.
Have you any EP coming out soon?
No, but we are trying to work on one, me and K1 supposed to work on one, come in and then after that, then me I go drop my EP.
So otherwise singing as a door sometimes, you do all those separate songs, right?
Yeah man, I do my own thing, him do for him own thing, but you don't know just the movements, I just oneness. We just try to bring towards the thing, the whole Skyliner production and the whole thing, you see me? Yeah.
Okay, Chapter, nice, it was nice speaking with you.
Yeah man, yes I am man a hustler. Me no plan fi born and dead in a mama yard. So me hustle hard, I want my own. Skyliner production, I'm out.
And this is Crystal Clear, representative for Skyliner TV.
I will rise and shine, yeah. Oh God, them a walk by you. Don't you bad mind when I'm nothing for do. Lift up your name when I'm singing them a screw. Envy na them a fit show. Me mommy tell me fi what you want me do. Them go up on my stage show just say boo. Remember God man I praise I know you. I know you. I will rise. I will rise and touch the sky. I will rise. I will rise and shame bad mind. I will rise. I will rise and touch the sky. I will rise and shine. Them sitting them contemplating, cussing them underrating, trying to forget me agitated. You can't alone to please mankind. Why them fight. Them live for million, now come off a million. We are gonna put them to shame, oh God. Them try to block me here, my because if I'm up here, I'ma keep them dead down, oh God. God, I will rise and touch the sky. I will rise and shake my mind. I will rise and touch the sky. I will rise and shine. On the next song, Vijay. Chip. You could have been the man who sell time. Was the line on the street white line. And even though the trade I know so easy to find. No why me feel for rise it take mine. But no more we don't suffer no. Even though the system of pressure away. The sound of the protect you. When you're in the deepest part of the sea. The spiritual journey. And one day things will be better for you. And I know the enemy them sit down and pray. God will protect you when you watch a show. Just keep on the faith and never let go. Now get up on your feet and help me to sing this song. Live on, live on, live on, live on. Telling you to live on. Live life and be strong. Live on, live on, live on, live on. Telling you to live on. Live life and be strong.
The streets every day like the entire running road. Always a hustle, we can't overload. Money I feel make some me cannot afford. Me no want see no gun, me no want see no sword. Because one the hill a concrete and a code. Thou shall not kill. Me not broke the code, me and me empress no chill. We sweet like a rose, we gone on the grill. So please pop my clothes. And life is what you make it. So live it to your best. And keep holding on. And release from the stress, yeah. So keep on the faith and never let go. Just get up on your feet and sing this song.
Live on, live on, live on, live on. Telling you to live on. Live life and be strong. Live on, live on, live on, live on. Telling you to live on. Live life and be strong. Next track. Chip. The mineral bass. Yeah.
First class flight to New York. Dropping at the mall and buy a class.
Fresh to death when no walk and I'm here, y'all ask me for sign out a job.
Big fat beamer will be fast. Snake leather seat with bulletproof glass.
Top shelf liquor man a flask. And you see by the dozen mascota chaser. Live, want to live the dream. Live, want to live my dream. Live, want to live the dream. And then nobody a big us in the open scheme. Live, want to live my dream. Live, want to live my dream. Live, want to live my dream. And then nobody a big us in the open scheme. Whoa, in the ocean scheme, yeah.
Build a big house up on an island. Private jet on a fly pan.
I couldn't mean you a spy pan. Come here, ever be eating on my right hand.
Buy a ship you are bigger than the Titan. And a music my success rely on.
Just give me a beat and a mic and see if you were no whole way as the mic and cast. Live, me, I gotta live the dream. Live, me, I gotta live the dream. Live, I want to live the dream. And then we buy a big house in the ocean scheme. Live, I want to live the dream. Live, me, want to live the dream. Live, I want to live the dream. And then we buy a big house for the ocean scheme.
Good night. People here, we have K1 right here. We have K1 just performing and chapter, right? So K1, perform. Tell us about the performance.
get
Well,
the team
performance is
together,
good still, is it?
exercise, learn
Like vibe,
instrument.
is it?
You were doing, you have a vibes on the stage, right? So what kind of vibes the people were pushing when you were doing the songs on the stage? And here we have Chopper watching the video right now. Right? So we're going to talk to Chopper later, right? So what type of vibes you want to have for the people them on the
Call
video?
forth.
Well, I like
The
the
brother
vibes,
called
positive vibes, and they seem to like it too.
Master
You
Lead.
see? Yeah, man.
Okay, it's a positive show too, you know. It's a one-job reggae show, right? And how do you accept it?
Well, I accept it very well, as it. Good vibe, good music. People love it. Like I said,
But you, we know you're a dancehall artist and you can sing to, right? You're like a singer, right? So that's why I asked you how you accept the vibes of the people, then, right? This is the first time performing at a reggae show?
you can call it that, yes, a reggae show, yes, but you perform on most dancehall shows.
Most dancehall show. So you have a vibes on for this one then?
Yeah.
Alright, mad. That's all.
Everything have the same mix, you
So,
know?
yeah, okay. Suppose you want to find it for an interview, another interview, or for voicing Dubplate for the 5 hour show. How we can find it?
Well, right now we're working with Skyline. It's a straight Skyline. Skyline at
So where Skyline is situated in?
The Skyline is in a Portmore, Portsmouth, is it?
That's a recording studio, right?
Yeah, recording studio, TV, radio station, everything with it.
Okay, so you are signed to them voicing for Skyline right now? Okay. Alright, here we have K1, right? Just speak to K1 a while ago. Blessed K1.
Yeah, man, chip, is it?
Entertainment, news, views, and lifestyle. Skyliner TV.